All right. I think it's May the 2nd. Could be the 1st, but I think it's the 2nd. We are on the Turtleback Mountain Trail. Going to go to Turtleback Mountain and possibly Bald Knob. It's a bit overcast today. Sun's supposed to come out. And it is, let's see. Oh, well, there is some light rain. So, let's see how it goes. This is supposed to be pretty easy. It's an old carriage trail for the most part, I guess. So, we'll see how he goes. And we'll catch up with you along the way. I don't think on this trail there's any views until we get to the top. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see you down the trail. All right. Well, there wasn't much to see on the way up. And I think this would have to be the easiest mountain walk that you could possibly come across in New Hampshire, because wow, it is like a walk. But you know, it is still a pretty, and I'd have to guess, way off in the distance with a little bit of snow, that could be Washington. Though there, black flies today, black flies. And you move around, all right? And other than, I think sounds like some water, because I know there's no road, there's not a sound. Not a sound. Now, according to all trails, there's a loop. According to the local guide map to Bald Knob, there isn't. And someone I did see in the comments said, don't try to just whatever. So we are going to have to bring up the map and see if we can't find the loop to get me. Otherwise, it's a mile back and then a little 3/4. This trail actually does go on for 2 more miles, and yeah, see, there we are, Turtleback Mountain. Does go on for 2 more miles and meets up with another trail, but it only meets up with the trail and leads to Mount Shaw and back to Mount Roberts, which I've done the Mount Robert and Mount Shaw. I intend to do the trail one of these days, midsummer, because I'd still be concerned that there might be snow still on Shaw. It snowed last week, and when I did it a month ago, wow, freaking black flies, there was still like 2.5 feet of snow. So, and I'm more interested in getting over to Bald Knob, and that will finish off all 5 peaks of here in this part of the Castle in the Clouds. So that's what we hope to do, but still, take a look. Man, the flies. All right, we're going to figure out what we're doing. We're going to sit until the flies, we can't take any more, and then we'll see you along the trail. Well, we're a little on trail, off trail. When I look, I can find it. Like, sort of, like there's even, a small cairn here and one up there. It's certainly not well trafficked, but you get a nice view of Lake Winnipesaukee that I just shared right off the Turtleback Summit Trail. So we will continue on for now. It's only supposed to be 4/10 of a mile, I think, to a lookout. I can't find the actual listing now, but as long as it looks like a trail, we will continue on. And hey, as long as we're going down, we'll get there eventually. So we'll see you at the next viewpoint. Otherwise, I get lost in the woods, and this is a record of the stupid thing I did when somebody someday finds me. All right, we'll check back a little later. Well, it is a trail that comes and goes. There's a few cairns and no marks of any kind. Otherwise, you do lose the trail a little bit. Oh, the black flies are ferocious. But on the way down, a little off the trail, a great view of the lake yet again. And right there is, to my best guess, by judging how it looks from here, is the castle in the clouds. And this property we're on, this trail, is all part of what's known as the Lucknow estate, or was anyways. And he used to own, well, basically everything you're seeing in my camera. The property, this used to be all theirs. But yes, Castle in the Clouds, highly recommended if you come. Excellent views from there. And of course now the water plant, the water bottling plant, Crystal Geyser, which they bottle it here, send it to Maine, so it comes back to here. It's the strangest thing. But yeah, Castle in the Clouds. No clouds today, but a really nice view of Lake Winnipesaukee. Really nice view. And Gunstock off in the distance. But all right, we will continue on our way. I think there's a couple other little spots on the way down, but I saw that I could see it. And this one I might actually sit for a minute and take it in, because there's a little bit of a breeze that might help keep the flies away. So we'll see you down the line. Right, we are on Bald Knob, sitting, relaxing, enjoying a little bit of a breeze, keeping the flies away. So we're going to sit and relax, view down into the, and of course always, Lake Winnipesaukee. And more of the Castle in the Clouds down there. Texas, come here. Alright, we'll get back to you in a momentito. I don't know how much you can see, or how much I can see. Quite the brook walk. A bit of a brook walk That's all it's listed as Brook Walk. But I apparently took the wrong Texas, come on. I apparently took the wrong way up, because though this way down is easy, and but at least it would have seemed like I was hiking up had I come this way versus the other way, which was like a stroll. Not that I'm not appreciative either way, I guess. But either way, we're coming up on a little bridge. Hold on. People. We'll catch you in a minute. So we know. Oh, hold on. I forgot to take a picture. Alright. Well, as we are nearing the end, but you see a few waterfalls and things. This last one was Emerald Pool Falls. So, the end, as we near the end, I think we have 3/4 of a mile or something. I don't really know. But we're in as nice a spot as you could get for an end of a day. Walking Brookside. Going upstream instead of down, so I guess we're ending the day heading uphill. But I don't know if I'll catch you back at the car or if we'll just be. Let's see what we have right up here, and maybe this will be the final shot of the day, right? Because of you still love how that looks. Now, if it wasn't for the fact that I know that water is near freezing, sitting right in that little jacuzzi corner over there would be really nice today. Look who wants to soak his feet a little bit, I guess. I don't blame them though. I wouldn't mind soaking my feet either. So I already know how cold that would really be. But let me shut up for a minute. Alright, there got to be a few people. And a day when it's 70 degrees, very nice day. Didn't see that many people till the end. But it is warm and I melt like ice cream. So, but, I mean, even down here, you know, nice views for a parking lot. Except for the water bottle. But about 7 miles today. Nice day, easy, even generally speaking, an easy 7 miles. Warm, nice, and some good views. And hopefully you think so too when you get it. If you make it this far in the video, then you have seen the waterfalls and the nice views at the end. Well, black flies notwithstanding, beautiful day. Hope you're all safe. See you next time. It'll probably be next week. Who knows where then. Till the next time.